Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this GlobaLink rope lights for outdoor use. Of course, it's for indoor use, possible to attach it there, of course. In this case, it's a 25 meter, these are 82 feet long, 500 light emitted diodes Christmas rope light. IP65 waterproof LED tube light with 8 modes. 2, 4, 6, 8 modes, which you can use by pushing on the power supply plug, or you use the remote control for choose your right mode. Mains powered Christmas string lights for the Xmas tree, for indoor or in the garden, for the fans or other locations which need a little bit of shining. It's a nice decoration. It's also available in 50 meter and multicolor. You can choose what you like. The GlobaLink rope fairy string lights, composed of the super bright SMT-shaped lamp beads, brighter than traditional ENCA incandescent lights. This creates a pleasant and a relaxed atmosphere for our celebration occasions with these warm, white, flexible rope lights. With the protection of a heat-resistant, cold-resistant, the GlobaLink light-emitted diode rope are waterproof to withstand all weather conditions, including heavy rain and snow. These rope fairy lights have a strong flexibility to be bent into any shape we are like. This making them ideal for creative DIY works to meet all our decoration needs, and this at any time. This garden ropes here lights has 8 lighting modes for us to choose. Combination in wave sequential, slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle, flash, and steady on. We can control the mode with only one button on the power supply. The second option is we use the remote control. There we have a lot of buttons to control these ropes here. And the controller is designed to remember the last settings. After cutting off the power, we does not need to set the light again. The product comes with a nice shape, so you have a fairy lights reel to make a easy installation, as you can see. This solves a lot of problems of assembly and disassembly, and there are cable ties included, so you can fix it easily. It is also to store, easy to use in next time. If you are getting bad on the lightning wheel again, then you can store it easily. The lamp life of the product can reach more than 100,000 hours. This is doubled the standard way. This says GlobaLink. They are looking for lengths and style of different types of string lights. They will help us to find the best fairy lights for our outdoor areas. GlobaLink has different types of lights, of course, different colors and length. 13 lights, fairy lights, easy lights, snowflake lights, star lights, battery operated and powered lights. So GlobaLink is the first on the scene for Christmas decoration. 8 mode settings and memory function included. Perfect decoration. Awesome. It looks really beautiful what I designed here. Safe and energy saving too. The outdoor rope lights are made of thin, sturdy copper wires that can still be attached even after prolonged use. LEDs produce neither heat or ultraviolet light. Compared to incandescent bulbs, the power consumption is extremely low, up to 90% of saving. And the LEDs has an awesome long lifespan, as you hear it again. We can make DIY decorations as we like. Different kinds of lights, modes makes our life more romantic and memorable. They can be bound and shaped into nearly any shape. We wrap them around the plants or trees. We light up various places indoor or outdoor. We make a beautiful centerpiece or a table decoration with it. That's really awesome. And this looks nice. And it's perfect for Christmas decoration. This is the GlobaLink rope lights for outdoor and indoor use, 25 meter, 82 feet, 500 LEDs on the scene. It's a Christmas rope light deluxe, IP65 waterproof with 8 modes, remote controlled, or use the button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.